Ever felt powerless when machines broke down? Imagine a world where that chaos disappears. Welcome to Total Productive Maintenance, or TPM. It is not just maintenance, it is a game changer. Picture this: equipment that runs flawlessly, uptime at its peak, and costs that drop like a rock. What is the secret? It is all about people. Yes, everyone gets involved. Operators become superheroes, taking responsibility for their own equipment. They do not just sit back and wait for someone else to fix the issues. They actively engage in the process. Routine checks and simple tasks become second nature to them. They spot potential problems before they blow up into disasters, ensuring that the machines they work with are in tip-top shape. Imagine feeling proud of the machines you maintain, knowing that your diligence contributes directly to the success of your organization. Now let us talk strategy. It is not guesswork. With a structured maintenance schedule, you will ensure inspections and upgrades happen at the right time. No more last-minute scrambles or emergency repairs. Picture a well-oiled machine, literally. Each part of the process is synchronized, creating a seamless workflow that minimizes interruptions and maximizes productivity. But wait, there is more. We are diving into advanced techniques now. Condition monitoring and predictive maintenance are like having a crystal ball. These techniques allow you to anticipate failures before they hit you, enabling you to act proactively rather than reactively. It is not magic, it is smart thinking. By utilizing data analytics and machine learning, you can predict when maintenance is needed based on the actual condition of the equipment rather than just the passage of time. What about continuous improvement? TPM thrives on solutions. Employees team up for problem solving. They get involved, sharing ideas and unleashing innovation. Imagine the spark of creativity igniting a highly productive environment. Regular brainstorming sessions can lead to breakthroughs in efficiency. When everyone contributes, you build a culture of collaboration that drives results. The goals: achieve zero breakdowns. Picture a factory buzzing with efficiency, no downtime in sight. Let's cut maintenance costs too. Fewer repairs mean more money in your pocket. This financial benefit allows companies to reinvest in their people, training, and technology, creating a virtuous cycle of improvement. And here is the kicker: improved product quality. Think fewer defects in your products. Consistency becomes the name of the game. With TPM, the quality of output improves significantly. When machines run smoothly and efficiently, the likelihood of errors decreases, leading to higher standards of production. TPM is like a superpower for your organization. With preventive, predictive, and autonomous practices, you unlock a treasure trove of productivity and efficiency. Do you not want to be part of something massive? The impact of TPM extends beyond maintenance. It influences the entire culture of the workplace. This culture of ownership transforms workplaces. Employees evolve from passive workers to proactive partners in excellence. They take pride in their roles and feel a sense of ownership over their tasks. Everyone becomes invested in the success of the organization, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Are you ready to level up your maintenance game? Join the TPM revolution. So what is stopping you? Dive in and embrace total productive maintenance. Imagine the possibilities. Let us change the way we think about maintenance forever. Imagine a place where machinery operates efficiently, where downtime is a distant memory, and where every team member feels empowered to contribute to the organization's goals. What would your workplace look like with zero breakdowns? Think about it. Consider the benefits not just to the organization, but also to the employees. The reduced stress, the enhanced job satisfaction, and the pride in being part of a team that achieves greatness together. Imagine every shift ending with a sense of accomplishment, knowing that your efforts have led to a smoother operation and a better product. The journey towards implementing TPM may not happen overnight, but with dedication and the right mindset, it can be achieved. Start small, identify the key areas for improvement, and build a solid foundation. Engage your team, provide training, and create an environment that supports continuous learning and growth. As you embark on this transformative journey, remember that the heart of TPM lies in the people. Foster a culture where everyone feels comfortable sharing their insights and experiences. Celebrate successes, no matter how small, and learn from the challenges. The road ahead may be challenging, but the rewards are plentiful. Together, let us create a workplace where machines run perfectly, employees thrive, and success becomes the norm.